Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, but we're not in my kitchen today. We're actually in beautiful Malibu and we are filming our first video in our Malibu series, and we are making a delicious homemade Mai Tai. So let's make our Mai Tai. The first thing I have done is fill my glass up with ice, and I'm going to add some pineapple juice to it. You're going to want to add 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and this is actually a 6-ounce can, so I'm going to add almost all of it, but not quite. I love pineapple juice. It's one of my favorite juices. And I'm also going to add in 1 ounce of triple sec. The reason I love triple sec so much is it's a delicious orange liqueur, so it adds a really nice flavor to your drink. And 1 ounce of white rum. If you want your drink to be a little bit boozier, you can always add in 2 ounces of white rum. 1 to 2 I usually find is the perfect balance in my drinks. Next, I'm going to be adding in the juice of 1 lime, or this is about 1 ounce of lime juice. I'm adding in simple syrup because I could not find the traditional ingredient to make a Mai Tai, which is an almond syrup. The picture of it should be right over here. I could not find it in any of my supermarkets, so I made some homemade simple syrup using 1 cup of water and half a cup of sugar and boiling it down until the sugar is completely dissolved, and then letting it cool completely. And I'm going to be adding in 1 ounce. The last ingredient I'm going to be adding into my Mai Tai is a pretty important one. It's the dark rum topper. And I'm going to be adding in 1 ounce of dark rum, but if you want your drink stronger, you can add in 2. Now, I feel like you have to decorate your drinks, especially delicious cocktails like these, because it adds so much prettiness to them. So I'm going to be adding on a slice of lime onto my Mai Tai, as well as a slice of some fresh pineapple. And then when I finish my Mai Tai, I get to eat it. When I was in Maui, I actually learned the proper way to drink a Mai Tai, and I realized I've been drinking it wrong for so many years. What I was told to do is you start your straw at the bottom of your glass and you slowly move it upwards while you're drinking, so your dark rum actually isn't getting stirred into the drink. So let's try it. Wow. That is so delicious. That was a pretty big sip too. And it's so tropical and sweet, and I think the perfect amount of booziness, which is very important when you're making a cocktail. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. And if you want to see more of my tropical drinks from Hawaii and the Bahamas, a playlist will be right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!